The Sony Bravia 8.2 qd-oled TV is Sony's top-tier OLED television for 2025, offering a premium viewing and gaming experience. Here is its key aspects. Release and availability. The Sony Bravia 8.2 series was launched in India on June 17, 2025. It's available for purchase through Sony retail stores, Sony Center and Sony exclusive major electronic stores, the shop at SC online portal and other e-commerce platforms. Models and pricing in India. 55-inch K55XR 80M2 rupees 2,46,990. 65-inch K65XR 80M2 rupees 3,41,990. Key features and specifications. Display qd-oled panel technology for perfect blacks, vibrant colors and infinite contrast. 4K UHD 3840 into 2160 pixels resolution, 120Hz refresh rate. XR Triluminous Max for billions of vivid lifelike colors. XR Contrast Booster 25 with a temperature sensor for deeper blacks and brighter whites. Excellent viewing angles with consistent color and luminance. Reduced glare and reflections for clear viewing in various lighting conditions. Picture processing powered by Sony's XR processor with AI scene recognition to optimize visuals and sound for ultimate realism. XR Clear Image technology for intelligently upscaling content to near 4K quality. XR OLED motion for smooth, blur-free, fast-moving action. Audio Acoustic Surface Audio Plus technology turns the entire screen into a speaker, delivering sound directly from the picture. Built-in subwoofer for cinematic bass. Supports Dolby Atmos, DTS-X and DTS Digital Surround. Crystal clear voice with AI technology. Ready for 360 spatial sound personalizer with compatible Sony headphones or Bravia Theater U. Smart TV features run on Android TV with Google TV interface built-in Chromecast. Voice control through Google Assistant and Alexa. Studio calibrated modes including new Prime Video calibrated mode along with existing Netflix adaptive calibrated mode and Sony Pictures Core calibrated mode to reproduce content as creators intended. Access to Sony Pictures Core with 10 free 4K movie credits for 2 years. Gaming features perfect for PlayStation 5, supports 4K at 120 FPS. Variable refresh rate VRR and auto low latency mode ALLM. Auto HDR tone mapping. Dedicated game menu for quick access to gaming settings like VRR and motion blur reduction. Design and connectivity. Slim one slate design merges the screen and bezel into a seamless slim panel ideal for wall mounting. Smudge resistance texture, premium eco remote. Connectivity Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.3, 4 HDMI ports including HDMI 2.1, 2 USB ports, Ethernet. Eco dashboard for tracking power usage and built with recycled plastic SORPLAS. Reviews and impressions. Early impressions indicate that the Sony Bravia 8.2 offers a compelling picture with Sony's signature image refinement. While some comparison with competing OLED TVs like the LG G5 and Samsung S95D or S90F suggest it might not always hit the highest peak brightness, its overall picture accuracy and excellent audio features, especially Acoustic Surface Audio Plus, are highly regarded. Its gaming features make it a strong choice for PlayStation 5 owners.